Hey y'all, it's Niz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am just doing this mini vlog to show y'all, give y'all an update on this wig. This is Seracce Wigs Hazel unit. I was getting ready to go out with a friend. I'm just like, you know what? I want to change it up, and thank God I have a wig collection. I got a Seracce Wigs wig collection. Like, yes, I got like 4 or 5 different wigs that I can just pick out, put on. Oh, they're glueless. Yes, they are, honey. But for this one, I had to glue it. I had to glue it because this ain't about to go nowhere. I'm trying to have it on for a bit. I've had this wig for 10 months now, and it's looking like this, y'all. It's looking like this. Like, what can you really say? Bro, you don't want this wig too, honestly. Like, yes, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of this wig. It's just been holding up so nicely. It's just so high quality. It's Indonesian hair that can last more than 2 years. And it's 10 months with this hair, and it's looking as luscious as possible. Period. Y'all should get this wig. I was just flat ironing this wig. Oh, sorry, a flat iron? I meant curling. I was curling this wig, and so yeah, I just put it on and it's looking like a frontal. But let me tell you, sis, this is a 6x6 closure. Okay, this is a 6x6 closure. It's also glueless, but I decided to glue it down because I'm probably gonna be wearing this for a couple of days. So this is 4 bundles of 24 inches and a 6x6 closure. I think y'all should get this wig. I custom colored it to brown. So, you know, my dark skin babe need to get brown. Y'all need a brown wig. Like, the wig just brings out the beauty of your face. Get y'all a brown wig. Come on. Y'all want this wig? Y'all can get one customized to your head size. Yes, customized to your head size. So, when you get it, when you get this wig, it will be shipped to you in a box, and it's ready to wear, like styled, all that. All you gotta do is take it out of the box, put it on, you're good to go right out the door. Honestly, it's a glueless wig. So yeah, more videos coming soon to show y'all all my wigs. This is just one of my favorite wigs. This is top 3 favorite wigs, by the way. Top 3 of my favorite wigs. Get y'all one, for real. I highly recommend, because I made these wigs. I have 2 years of experience custom making wigs, and I have 5 years of experience making wigs in general. So you already know y'all gonna be getting it from the experienced girl. Yes. So yeah, you guys, if you want this wig, get it at seraccewigs.ca. This unit is Hazel, so get this Hazel unit. And yeah, you guys, if y'all have any questions, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.